I was hoping to not have to install a new shower head until I redid all of the paneling in our old, very old bathroom shower. But then our old bathroom shower head decided to just bust and spray water everywhere. So here we are. Luckily, I found this. This is the Hopopro 5 spray patterns, amazing reviews. Let's install it. Let's put some of that tape on and screw it on. The Teflon tape is on. That took me like 5 seconds. This is easy. Should I try it? Should I just do it? Okay, I'm gonna do it. Look at that. Not a single leak. No drips. That was insanely easy. Move it around. Wait, that's hitting the other wall. Very strong. The strong one. Then we've got this, a thinner spray. Woo, tickly. This has some mist mixed in. Breezy steam version, a fine mist. Ooh. I think this is going to be my favorite for normal showers, but all of these sprays are fantastic. Definitely stronger than my other sprayer. I'm loving this. I think I need to take a shower.